The first aid kit is a must-have for every household. It can be used in case of any emergency or accident that may occur at home. The kit should contain all the basic items that are needed to treat minor injuries and illnesses at home. So, what is the purpose of first aid? The purpose of first aid is to prevent minor injuries to become major ones, in case any injury occurs at home. Do you have any first aid items in your home? If you don't have, then the consequences could be severed. Number 1. First aid scissors. First aid scissors or medical scissors are a very important part of first aid treatment. Its use includes cutting the bandages to properly adjust and change the dressing for wounds. Having a first aid scissor and tweezers as a first aid stuff is beneficial, but make sure that after each use you clean the dirt from scissors and clean it with ethanol-soaked cloth or isopropyl alcohol and let it dry. Number 2. First aid bandages. Dressing is used to cover wounds in case of injury. There are different types of dressing available from pharmacies such as adhesive dressing and gauze dressing. Common bandages include an elastic roller bandage, cotton bandages and tabular bandages. And most common form is small size bandage. They provide a passage for air to touch the skin. Easy to fix and disposable after use. And in a very less cost. You should also include some tools such as safety pins, needle nose pliers and so on, because they will come handy when you need to dress wounds or apply bandages on cuts and scrapes, etc. Number 3. Safety gloves. Safety gloves are also very important because they protect your hands from getting injured when treating someone else who has been injured or has fallen ill at home. You might think that for husband or wife I don't need it. But, what about a situation where a non-member of your family comes as a guest and might get injured during participating in cooking in a party, or might slip from slippery surface and get injured? You can buy safety gloves easily from the market in a pair or several pairs in one pack or box. Number 4. Antiseptic first aid spray and antiseptic burn relief spray. This item you should have at home. For example, in case of any first injury due to burn during cooking at home. So, it's better to use burn relief spray. It will immediately reduce the level of pain from burn. Antiseptic first aid spray will help to eliminate the bacteria damaging or entering into your body. To avoid or prevent any infection, antiseptic first aid spray is the most beneficial approach. Number 5. Thermometer. There is a possibility or a situation that there is any viral fever ongoing in your region, or any unhealthy lifestyle factor it affect your immune system and resulted in fever, or due to any other unhealthy situation and you suffer from change in your body temperature with abdominal pain or similar situation. It's better to diagnose fever in early stage to use the correct type of medicine from doctor. So, to do so you should have a thermometer in your home to identify fever easily. Number 6. Eye wash. Perhaps you or a family member might work in such a place where there is a dusty environment. And when the family member return at home, he might have some little irritation in his/her eyes. So, to prevent any damage to eyes, it's better to have an eye wash bottle at home. To clean dirt from eyes,